Well, this session is all about Roman numerals. Roman numerals are still widely used as it was accepted and recognized as a universal number system. In ancient times, people of all countries identified these numbers. It was used majorly in all landmark buildings, used for hand signals and calculations. People still feel it looks more classy than Indian numerals. And we also come across the Roman numerals of different volumes or parts of books, numbers of chapters, numbers of issues of magazines, etc. So let us try to understand Roman numerals better today. In our daily lives, we come across numbers like this. The writing numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called the Hindu, Arabic, numerals, numbers. What about the Roman numerals? They basically look like this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now do you remember these numbers you must have come across in the books? Let us try to understand them better. There are 7 distinct symbols in Roman numeral system, and they are 1, which is written as Roman numeral 1. Then you have the number 5, which is written like this, in the shape of a V. Then you have the number 10, which is written as X. The number 50, which is written as L. 100, written as C. 500, written as D. And then you have the 1000, which is written as K, or sometimes some books would have it written as M. So you have the number 1 written as 1, 5, 10, 50 would be an L, 100 C, 500 D, 1000 can be K or M. So let us see whether we can write numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so you have the number 1 is 1. Number 2 is 1 plus 1, 2. Number 3, 1, 2, and 3. Number 4, you have 1 and V. Have you noticed this, children? If you have a greater symbol or the number followed by a smaller one, you need to subtract the greater with the smaller. So this is 5 and 1. 5 minus 1, which is 4. 5, as we know, it is written as 5. Then you have 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 would be 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 8 would be 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, check this out, children. It is 1 followed by 10. So 10 minus 1. As I told you, if you have a greater symbol followed by a smaller symbol, you subtract the greater from the smaller from the greater, that is 10 minus 1, 9. And finally you have the 10, which is 10 here like this. Did you see that? Now let's get on to the 11 and 12. That is, you have 11 would be 10 plus 1, 11, 12, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 13, 10 plus 3, 13, 14 is 10 plus 4, 14, 15, 10 plus 5, 15, 16, 10 plus 6, 16, 17, 10 plus 7, 17, 18, 10 plus 8, 18, 19, 10 plus 9, 19, 20 would be 10 plus 10, 20. Isn't that easy? So let's just take some number randomly and find out how we can. For example, the number 32. Yes? So 32 is 30 plus 2. How do you write 30? 10, 20 and 30 plus 2, 32. What about 48? Now, how do you write this number 40? You have 50 minus 10, 48. The number 24. 20 plus 4, 24. So let's write the multiples of 10 now. 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40 would be 10 followed by 50. 50 minus 10, 40. 50, 60 would be 50 plus 10, 60. 70, 50, 60 plus 10, 70. 80 would be 50, 60, 70, 80. 90 would be 10 followed by 100. 100 minus 10, 90. And finally, you have the 100. So how do you find that, children? Isn't that easy? Let me just recap this once again. As I said, you have 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500, K or M for 1000. The multiples of 10 would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. In the next session, we shall deal with the Roman numerals once again for the numbers after 100. Thank you.